spent 15 years navigating the high-stakes pressure of the corporate world. I've seen the burnout in boardrooms. I've lived through the endless cycles of high-pressure deadlines, and I felt that hollow, sinking feeling in my gut every Sunday night. For a long time, I thought it was just the price of a career. But science tells a different story. Your body isn't just tired. Your gut-brain axis is in a state of emergency. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the executive burnout cycle. We're going deep into the vagus nerve, the cortisol spikes, and the 3 physical resets you can start tomorrow morning to reclaim your health. If you're ready to stop just surviving and start recovering, pay close attention. In the corporate world, we're taught to push through. But your nervous system doesn't care about your quarterly targets. When you're under chronic pressure, your brain triggers the fight or flight response. This isn't just a feeling, it's a biological redirection of resources. Your vagus nerve, the superhighway between your brain and your gut, begins to prioritize survival over maintenance. Blood flow is pulled away from your digestive system. The production of essential enzymes drops. The protective lining of your gut starts to weaken. This is why executive fog is real. When your gut is inflamed by stress, it sends inflammatory signals back to your brain. It's a closed loop. You aren't losing your edge because you're getting older. You're losing it because your gut and brain have stopped communicating. Let's look at how we fix it. Most people don't realize that your gut contains over 100 million neurons. It's essentially a second brain, and it's physically connected to your head via the vagus nerve. When you're in a high-pressure meeting, your first brain is focused on the data, but your second brain is sensing the stress hormones. It begins to alter your gut's permeability, a condition often called leaky gut. This allows toxins and bacteria to enter your bloodstream, triggering a low-grade systemic inflammation. This inflammation travels back up to the brain, attacking the very area you need for executive function, the prefrontal cortex. This is why, after a week of corporate travel or back-to-back deadlines, you feel like you've lost your ability to think strategically. You aren't burnt out, you are biologically inflamed. Resetting this system doesn't require a sabbatical. It requires 3 non-negotiable physical habits. First, the cortisol kill switch. Within 30 minutes of waking, you must get natural sunlight in your eyes. This resets your circadian rhythm and flushes the excess morning cortisol that fuels corporate anxiety. Second, the vagus nerve stimulus. Before your first meeting, practice 3 minutes of box breathing. It's a physiological hack that forces your vagus nerve to switch from survival mode back to maintenance mode. Third, targeted nutrition. High-stress environments deplete your magnesium and healthy bacteria. To repair the gut-brain axis, you must prioritize fermented foods or high-quality probiotics. You are rebuilding the foundation of your cognitive performance. Let's look closer at the cortisol kill switch. When photons from the morning sun hit your retina, they send a signal to the suprachiasmatic nucleus in your brain. This tells your body to stop producing melatonin and start a timer for its release 16 hours later. This is the foundation of high-performance sleep. Now, the box breathing. By holding your breath for 4 seconds, you are manually increasing the CO2 levels in your blood. This triggers a vagal brake, which tells your heart rate to slow down. You are literally hacking your own biology to move from executive panic to executive calm in less than 3 minutes. And finally, the probiotic repair. Under stress, the good bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium are the first to die off. By replacing them, you are rebuilding the neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine that are actually manufactured in your gut, not your brain. The corporate world will take as much as you are willing to give, but your health is the only asset you truly own. Start these 3 resets tomorrow. Watch how your focus returns. Watch how your energy stabilizes. This is the first step in taking back control. If you found this helpful, join our community of professionals who are choosing health over burnout. This is the Optimal Health Guide. If this breakdown helped you understand your body better, consider subscribing. We are building a community of professionals who are choosing long-term health over short-term burnout. Share this with one colleague who needs to hear this today. This is the Optimal Health Guide. I'll see you in the next deep dive.